Hi, welcome to the Education Department. My name is Jack Hewlett, the Education Director, and we have some beautiful things going on. Here, the trainees, when they come here, they get to learn many different uses and applications of things like natural remedies, hydrotherapy, and when they learn these things like blood pressure and how to take the blood pressure, blood sugar checks, vital checks, then we like to get practical, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing. Starting on Thursday, we're going to have a beautiful event in Lumpkin, Georgia, where all the things that these trainees have learned, they get to actually put these things in practice, where we set up booths. We're going to be having the same things that they've been learning, vital checks like blood pressure, blood sugar, height, BMI, and these are the events that people look forward to. And it's not only beneficial for the community that we go and bless, but it's beneficial for the trainees as they gain the confidence to go out and bless and help others. So if you're desiring to learn more practical skills, ways that you can be a blessing, how to use physiology of hydrotherapy to bless individuals with different ailments, and even some principles in some of the chapel classes in how to deal with the mind when it comes to health. All these and more we'll be doing when we go on this HEW, this Health Emphasis Weekend in Lumpkin, Georgia. Hope to see you there. We're here in Lumpkin, Georgia. We're ready to do our Health Expo. We just arrived with a trailer and some staff, some trainees, and we're going to get ready to set up and bless the town of Georgia. So for those who want to be a part of this, you're going to see today how a Health Expo is done so we can bless the community, one door at a time.
So we have giveaways here. So we have amazing health facts. This magazine talks about nutrition, exercise, water, sunlight, temperance, air.
So I'm at the air booth on here.
Rest and trust. These are very simple things, but you know what? It has a significant effect on your health. And we also have, you know what? Free food here. So yeah, come and join us. And we have this. We have free books and we have keychain. So
My HEW experiences are often really good. This one is really nice as well. I'm really excited to share to the communities every time that we do HEWs. Sometimes it's a little nerve-wracking, but just being able to share with the community and give back to the community is something that I really enjoy doing.
Thank you for joining us. As you've seen the whole Health Expo and you maybe got to see some of the booths, some of what we did, we've come down to the end. This is where we start wrapping up now. Individuals have come. We've got screenings, blood pressure, blood sugar. We talked about air, lung capacity. People were fed physically and spiritually. So now, as we wrap up, we want to thank you for joining us and definitely see you on the next expo. We have more daylight, so we got to use it. Until next time.